We want to grab a sweatshirt if you are out and about. A windy Tuesday morning tops our Weather Planner Plus headlines. We'll still have a breezy afternoon, and highs today some 13 degrees lower than yesterday. We hit 90 yesterday, although then by the end of the afternoon the clouds thickened up, and with the wind it felt a bit on the cool side. But highs will be cooler than average today, only in the 70s. And again, we'll expect plenty of lingering breezes through the afternoon. 77, 10 degrees below the norm for the almost middle of May. We're up to 80 on Wednesday, 86 on Thursday, Friday 88, Saturday 86, and then another drop by the end of the upcoming weekend. We're in the mid-70s, and take a look here. We've upped the chance of a couple of showers on Sunday. Right now it doesn't look like a big washout, but some showers are possible, perhaps a rumble of thunder. And we want to highlight some wind on Saturday, some 35-mile-per-hour gust on Saturday. And then Sunday, with those showers and lower temperatures, we'll have some 25-mile-per-hour gusts. Been kind of an active weather pattern here the last few weeks. This is a look at Saturday, and we're not expecting any rain then. Sunday, though, some showers are possible, and parts of that system may linger into Monday of early next week. We'll fine-tune that part of the forecast over the next few days. Got a lot of sunshine this morning, but also still plenty of wind, steady around 20 miles per hour from the southwest, which really accentuates how cool our 60s feel, but sunshine nevertheless. Mostly sunny this afternoon, still breezy. The steady winds around 15, so the gusts this afternoon around 25 miles per hour. And again, a big drop from where we were yesterday in the 70s. Sunny and calm at 80 Wednesday. We'll take it. Sunny and calm at 86 Thursday. That sounds nice. Friday, a bit of a breeze. Saturday, windy. And then Sunday, a bit of a breeze with some showers. And again, a drop to the 70s.